As a market leader in e-mobility solutions, ABB is heavily investing since many years in innovative solutions for charging. And interoperability is a core element of this. This is exactly aligned with the Azure project, which is trying to reduce overall total cost of ownership for bus operators to allow them to operate a fleet of chargers with a fleet of buses independent of a brand. And with this, to enable a transition of the public transportation sector, but also the e-truck sector, to a less polluting, less noisy technology. As part of the Assured Interoperability 1.0 reference project, we have worked with a lot of experts from various stakeholders to facilitate this. We are very proud to be part of this since many years. In Barcelona, TMB, to allow us to demo our equipment, our 450 kilowatt Panto-Up charger. And we are very excited and proud to be part of that story together with the Assured ecosystem. ABB has a lot of experience in developing interoperable chargers. This is obviously core for us. And we have invested a lot of money and a lot of time over the last years. For example, into this innovation lab here in Delft, we can do all types of tests here, not just for Panto-Up and Panto-Down in the domain of bus charging, but also cable-based charging. So we are very committed to make interoperability work for the industry because this is core for the adoption, and Assured is obviously part of this story. The value of ABB in electromobility is actually major. As a market leader in this domain, we are obviously, since more than a decade, heavily driving and supporting the adoption of electric mobility. Not just the chargers, but actually also to enable a grid connection, local distribution, charging equipment itself, but also holistic solutions across the digital offering to make this charging facility run smooth. And at the same time, it's also very important to us as a company, as a value, because we are fully engaged to make a transition to a more sustainable and a more low-carbon world.